Come on. Oh my god, I was winning a few seconds ago. What the hell's with this game? Aw, oh, god damn it, that was Presley. I'm gonna take a crap. Ah! What the hell? Ah! It's everywhere! Oh my god! God, gotta call the plumber. Luckily I've got his number on speed dial. Hi, I need a plumber. My toilet is broken. It's, oh my god, no! Okay. Oh my god, it's coming. Can you get a plumber over here? Holy crap, that was fast. Ah!
Did you order a plumber?
Are you the plumber?
Yeah.
How'd you get here?
I used the side door. I'll see this clog.
Okay. It's just over here.
Clog.
It's just in here. I'll leave you to it, I guess.
Just don't worry. I'm a professional. Jesus Christ! I got this bitch. I got it. Ah! 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 No! No! I'm gonna kill you! I'll kill you, you asshole! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh god! I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it!
Oh, you finished, eh?
Yeah.
Where's your plumber, or your plunger, whatever?
You got it.
What got it? You okay?
Yeah. Sorry.
Hey, Helen, you want something to eat or something? I can get you something to eat, or...
No one's really offered me anything to drink or eat.
Let's just go in the kitchen. Come with me. Just come in. No. The kitchen's this way. That's the bathroom.
I just love bathrooms.
That's nice. All right, bathroom's there, kitchen's in here. Come on, get you something to eat. So, why don't you sit down or something?
Sure.
We have some food for you. Here, hold on a sec. I'll get something for you. So I see you like grapes, eh?
Yeah.
Well, do you want anything else, or is that good? That'll do?
Your blood.
What?
I mean, a drink, please.
Okay, hold on a sec. I got it. Sorry, I don't have much in my fridge.
Ketchup will do.
Okay, I think I have some of that.
Reminds me of blood.
What was that?
Reminds me of my old wife.
Okay.
She used to cook me fries and ketchup.
There you go, I guess that'll do. So, how'd you get that blood on your shirt anyways?
My wife.
Your wife? What do you mean?
She got ketchup on me. That's what I said about my wife.
It looks like that's actual blood. That doesn't look like ketchup.
Oh, it is ketchup.
Well,
Don't question me.
I'm sorry. So I guess I can give you your money and you can be on your way, right?
But I want to leave.
Well, I got some things to do, so I'll get you the money, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I should kill him.
I got my money right here for you if you need it, I guess.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did.